AI, aka Artificial Intelligence, is a program that helps people be more productive and quicker in doing their tasks. AI tools we're going to talk about today are some of the most useful you can find. Whether you love AI or just want to see what's new, this video is for you. Check it out to see what could be useful. Number 9. Grammar checkers and rewarding tools. Grammarly, WordTune, and ProWritingAid help with writing and editing text. Grammarly finds mistakes like spelling and grammar errors, and it gives suggestions to make writing more precise and more professional. WordTune helps by suggesting different ways to say things, making your writing sound better. ProWritingAid checks for mistakes and gives reports on how to improve your writing, like sentence structure and word choice. Number 8. Image generation. DALL-E 3, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion are special computer programs that do different things. DALL-E 3 makes pictures from words you tell it, so you can quickly get images for your projects. Midjourney helps understand and create sentences, like when talking to a computer or translating languages. Stable Diffusion is good at making nice pictures. Number 7. Scheduling. Reclaim, Clockwise, and Motion help people work smarter and manage their time better. Reclaim helps plan your day by blocking off time for work and meetings. Clockwise helps with scheduling meetings to avoid interruptions and make the most out of your time. Motion helps teams stay organized and work together on projects with features like task lists and timelines. Number 6. Video creation and editing. Descript, Wondershare, Filmora, and OneWay are software tools that help people create and edit videos and other media. Descript is suitable for editing audio and video like a text document and helpful for podcasters and content creators. Wondershare Filmora is easy to use video editing software with lots of features for making professional-looking videos, and is suitable for beginners and experienced editors. OneWay is an AI-powered toolkit for artists and designers that help create and manipulate images, videos, and 3D models using advanced AI algorithms. Number 5. Transcription and meeting assistance. Fireflies, Airgram, and Krisp are tools that help people communicate better and be more productive. Fireflies uses AI to take notes and organize meetings, making them more efficient. Airgram is a messaging app that keeps your messages and files secure with features like encryption and self-destructive messages. Krisp removes background noise during calls so you can have clear and professional audio. If you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe buttons now. And if you know someone who is interested in AI, share this video with them. Now, let's carry on. Number 4. Voice and music generation. Murf, Splash Pro, and AIVA are tools for making music and videos. Murf helps musicians and producers record and edit music tracks. Splash Pro is for editing videos and adding music and sound effects. AIVA uses AI to create original music compositions based on your preferences. Number 3. Task and project management. Asana, Any.do, and BeDone are tools for managing tasks. Asana lets you organize projects, assign tasks, and track progress with your team. Any.do is for making to-do lists, setting reminders, and staying on top of your tasks. BeDone helps you track your time spent on tasks and projects, and you can see where your time goes so you can try to be more productive. Number 2. Knowledge management and AI grounding. MEM, Notion AI Q&A, and Personal AI are tools that use artificial intelligence to help you with different tasks. MEM enables you to organize and find information quickly, while Notion AI Q&A likely assists with answering questions and finding information within the Notion workspace. Personal AI acts as a virtual assistant, helping you schedule appointments and provide recommendations. Number 1. Slide decks and presentations. Decktopus, Beautiful.ai, and SlidesGo help you make beautiful presentations easily. Dictopus gives you templates and tools to create presentations without needing design skills. Beautiful.ai uses smart automation to suggest designs and make your slides look professional. SlidesGo offers many free templates for PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Keynote so you can find the perfect design for your presentation. It's hard to remember how our lives were before AI. Thanks for tuning in today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. Stay tuned for more content coming your way.